Welcome back to the Bean Museum. Our organism of the month for this month is the Indian rock python. They're named that because they live in India and they only eat rocks. Okay, only one of those was true. Indian rock pythons are also called Asian rock pythons, Indian pythons, and black-tailed pythons. There's also rock pythons in Africa, but those are a totally different species. This is why scientists use scientific names. Rock pythons are found in tropical and subtropical areas of India. They can be found in a variety of habitats, but usually live near the water. They've also been spotted on the loose in South Florida, but they aren't established there, unlike the closely related Burmese python. Male Indian rock pythons typically max out at around 8 or 9 feet long, but females can exceed 12 feet. In meters, that averages to about 3.14159265. Get it? Python. It's actually not that far off. For a rock python to swallow big prey, like this spotted deer, they don't unhinge their jaws. That's not quite accurate. But they do have lots of separate jaw bones connected only by very stretchy ligaments, allowing them to swallow animals larger than their head. A big meal like this could keep a python fed and happy for several months. They spend so much time sitting around digesting that they even invented their own coding language. I know that might seem a little hard to swallow. Many pythons, including the rock python, have heat-sensitive labial pits to detect warm-blooded prey. Pit vipers, like rattlesnakes, have heat-sensitive pits too, but they have only 2 pits. The purpose is the same, but the structures themselves are different because they actually evolved independently of each other. Scientists have shown that even if you cover a python's eyes, it can catch mice relying only on its sense of smell and these heat-sensitive pits. Imagine someone putting a plate of food in front of you and telling you to eat it blindfolded. Oh, and you can't use your hands either, and the food is alive. Yeah, you couldn't do it, but a python could, and that's pretty fantastic. Whoa. Pythons don't really have fangs. All their teeth are pretty much the same. Homodont dentition. Sorry, I can't see the script. A lot of people confuse pythons with another group of heavy-bodied, non-venomous snakes, the boas. These two families look very similar, but evolutionarily, they're less closely related to each other than you and a gorilla are. Hey, cuz. Pythons aren't native to the Americas, but boas are. And some boas, like this anaconda, give live birth, but all pythons lay eggs. The Indian rock python will even wrap around her eggs and shiver to generate heat for them. For this month only, we have some exclusive Indian rock python collectible cards. To get a free card, just tell an educator in a green shirt a python fact. If I had to describe these cards in 2 words, I would say they rock. We also have a python coloring page on our website. If you bring in your completed coloring page, we'll enter you to win free ice cream and hang it up on our Organism of the Month art wall. That's it for this video. We'll see you next month.